Lot 159 is a very special moment. The 1949 Jaguar XK120 alloy Roadster. Over 12,000 120s were built, of which only 242 were alloy-bodied early cars like this one here. This one was raced on the East Coast before being fully restored, and it's beautifully set up to run at the front on events like the Colorado Grand. That's a 300 horsepower, 3.8 liter motor under the hood, made into a 5-speed transmission, front disc brakes, Dunlop racing wheels. This is the perfect event car. The 1949 Jaguar XK120 alloy Roadster.
And it's got an amazing look to it on top of that. Ladies and gentlemen, what we say, I'm going to open bidding here at $150,000. Who would like to start me? Would you bid me $150,000 for the XK120 alloy? Thank you, Barney. $150,000. Do I have $175,000 anywhere now? 175, thank you, 175. Place the Ferrari at 175,000 on my left, at 175,000. Do I have $200,000 bid anywhere in the room? Would you bid me 200,000? Thank you, RJ. 200,000 I have. Do I have 225, young man? Sweet, well done. Good bidding. 225,000 on my left. You're doing a good job. 225. Stay with me. At 225,000, do I have $250,000 now on the alloy 120? At 225,000, would you bid me 250 anywhere in the room? 250. Thank you. 250. 250. Do I have 275,000, young man? At 250. I think he just went yes, Tom. At 250. He definitely just went yes. You just wave at me, young man. Your father will get the bill. Thank you. $275,000 on my left. That is a very expensive son you have there, Tom. At 275. Imagine when you get school fees and things as well. At 275,000, and on my left, do I have $300,000 anyway? 300,000 I have from Barney right here in front of me. At 300,000. You just wave at me, young man. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. At $300,000, it'll all be under control. At $300,000, then right here in front of me. At 300,000. Do I have 325? Barney, it's your bid. At 300. It's your bid, Barney. At 300,000. Do I have any advance? At $300,000. Well, if we're all done and all finished at just $300,000, then are we all done? All finished at $300,000. 305, he says. 305, 310. We can't lose it for $5,000, that's for sure. 310, thank you. 310, 315 if you like. 315, thank you. 315, now they're all getting involved. At 315, 320 now. With at 315,000 on my left, it's selling all the way. It's going for the first time. You're missing the car. It's going for the second time. It's selling at $315,000 for the third and the last time. If we're all done, all finished. So, your car, well done, Weaver. 315,000. I get a number. 4783. 4783. 315,000.